We're here at the Heartland Forest Learning Center in Niagara Falls, Ontario, Canada. We are in our day 4 of a 5-day hand tool workshop. I want to give you a quick overview of the facility that we use so that you can see what kind of things you can expect when you're here. We have 13 students. We have capacity for actually more than that, but we try to keep it right around 12. Everybody has access to a really good, sturdy bench. In fact, let's take a quick look at it. I designed this myself about 4 years ago. It's got an MDF top made out of 3 pieces of 1-inch MDF glued together. Why MDF? It's very inexpensive, but it's nice and stable. It stays flat, and if you destroy it, you're out $30 worth of MDF. You can make a new top. We use the Schoberg vise, which I think is probably the best commercially available vise that you can find. Instead of having round tubes, it uses rectangular tubes, and there's a mechanism inside that you can actually take the racking out. So it securely holds the work, and it's just great. In fact, it's so good we usually only have 1 vise on each bench, and it doubles as a tail vise. Now, if you can see by the shavings on the floor, we do a lot of work. We go 8 to 8, 5 days, Monday through Friday. First day sharpening, second day is hand planes, third day is dimensioning lumber, where the students learn to take a piece of rough lumber and make it flat, smooth and square on all 6 surfaces. Today, which is Thursday, is Dovetail Day. We learn to cut through dovetail. And tomorrow, being the final day, we learn to cut mortise and tenon joints. If you come over here real quick, show you some of the other features that we have. We bring a full store. We have to keep our retail business alive while we're here, which is mail order. But we bring everything with us, so guys are able to pick up new tools if they want them. Everybody has a nice bench lamp so they can get very specific lighting. We have a sharpening station at the end of every bench, which is conveniently placed just the right height, and it's so close, so if the second that you start to have an edge that breaks down, you can spend that 30 seconds renewing it, and you're right back in business. This is my tool cabinet up front. This is a featured project on one of our hand tool workshop series. It's also full of all my tools, and the students get to use those if they need to, just as long as they bring them back. It's a great week. We host 6 wounded veterans in each one of our classes, along with 6 civilians. If you're interested in this, check it out, robsworkshop.com or RobCosman.com. Hope to see you soon.